Have you ever felt trapped in your own mind? Like your thoughts are holding you prisoner? You are not alone. Millions of people feel stuck every single day. They do not see the invisible walls around them. But here is a secret. Your mind is not your enemy. It is the most powerful tool you have. And you can learn to control it. You can break free from your mental prison. You can discover freedom in the simplest thoughts. Imagine waking up every morning, feeling calm, focused, and confident. No more self-doubt. No more fear controlling your decisions. This is possible for you. The wisdom of thinkers like Aldous Huxley shows us the way. Small changes in your thinking create massive changes in your life. You will learn how to do this today. Step by step. One simple rule at a time. And by the end, you will feel a new sense of power. A sense of freedom you did not think was possible. Your mind shapes your reality. But most people give their power away without realizing it. They follow every thought without question. They are like leaves in a storm. But you are not a leaf. You can stand firm. You can guide your thoughts. You can become the master of your own mind. This is why understanding mental freedom is so important. It is not just philosophy. It is a practical skill for life. You will learn how to identify the traps in your thinking. You will learn how to take control. And you will see how small, consistent actions can free you from anxiety, fear, and confusion. By the end of this video, you will understand the simple rules to master your mind. You will see how real freedom starts from within. And you will know how to apply it today. Now, let us begin the first step on this journey. Rule 1. You are responsible for your mind. This may sound simple, but most people give their thoughts away every day. They let fear, doubt, and confusion decide their actions. Imagine you are standing in a crowded room. Everyone is shouting instructions. Yet you can remain calm. You can choose what to listen to. This is your power. Your thoughts are not reality. They are just signals. You can question them. You can decide which thoughts serve you. For example, if you think, "I cannot do this," you are not the thought. You can say, "This is just a thought. I can try differently." This small shift changes everything. It is like unlocking the door to your mental prison. Every time you choose your thoughts, you gain freedom. Every time you question fear, you grow stronger. Now let us move to the next rule. Rule 2. Observe your mind without judgment. Most people react immediately to their thoughts. They argue with themselves. They feel shame, anger, or frustration. But observing your mind is different. It is like watching clouds in the sky. The clouds pass. You do not need to hold them. You just watch. For example, if anxiety comes, notice it. Say to yourself, "This is anxiety, it is passing." Do not fight it. Do not pretend it is not there. This simple habit creates space in your mind. It gives you clarity. It allows you to see your thoughts as temporary. It allows you to act from calmness, not reaction. When you observe your mind, you discover patterns. You see which thoughts are useful. You see which thoughts are traps. And once you see them, you can choose differently. This is a key step toward self-mastery. You are no longer a slave to your own mind. You are the observer. And being the observer is the first step to freedom. Now let us move to the next rules. Rule 3. Challenge your beliefs. Most people accept what they think without question. They believe things because they were told, or because they feel true. But not every belief is helpful. Some beliefs are chains. Imagine carrying a backpack full of heavy stones. You think it is normal. You do not realize it is slowing you down. Your limiting beliefs are like these stones. They hold you back from your true potential. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? For example, if you think, I am not good enough, you can ask, is this a fact or just a thought? Challenging beliefs is not easy. It feels uncomfortable. But growth always begins with discomfort. Each belief you question creates space for freedom. Each thought you challenge brings you closer to control. Your mind is not fixed. It is flexible. And you have the power to reshape it. Now let us move to the next step. Rule 4. Focus on what you can control. Most suffering comes from chasing what is outside your power. We worry about the past. We fear the future. We feel powerless. But real freedom begins when you focus on what you can control. This is always your choices and actions. You cannot control every event, every person, or every outcome. But you can control your response. For example, if someone criticizes you, you cannot control their words. But you can control how you feel and act. You can decide, I will not give my power away. This focus brings calmness. It brings clarity. It allows you to act with purpose. It allows you to move step by step without being overwhelmed. Every action you take from control builds confidence. Every moment you focus on yourself reduces fear. Your mental prison becomes smaller with each choice. And slowly, you discover the freedom you are seeking. Now let us move to the next rules. Rule 5. Practice self-discipline daily. Freedom does not come from avoiding effort. It comes from consistent, small actions. Every time you act intentionally, you strengthen your mind. Even small habits matter. For example, you can start with 5 minutes of focused breathing each morning, or writing down your thoughts before starting the day. These actions may seem simple, but over time, they create mental strength. Self-discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Each moment you choose action over distraction, you take back control. Each time you say, I will focus, you break a chain. You are no longer a slave to impulses or fear. This is the path to true freedom. Now let us move to the next step. Rule 6. Surround yourself with clarity and positivity. Your mind is influenced by what you see, hear, and feel. Most people fill their days with noise and negativity. This makes the mental prison stronger. But you can choose your environment. You can choose the words you read, the people you spend time with, and the media you consume. For example, spend time with people who inspire you. Read ideas that expand your thinking. Avoid constant gossip, fear, or drama. This does not mean ignoring reality. It means choosing what feeds your mind and soul. Your thoughts reflect your environment. A clear, positive environment helps you think clearly. It strengthens your self-mastery. It allows your mental freedom to grow naturally. Each choice in your surroundings is a brick in your freedom. Every positive influence reduces fear, confusion, and doubt. And every small change builds a life you are proud of. You have learned 6 powerful rules today. You are responsible for your mind. You can observe your thoughts without judgment. You can challenge your beliefs. You can focus on what you can control. You can practice self-discipline daily. And you can surround yourself with clarity and positivity. Each rule is simple, but applied consistently, they create deep change. Your mental prison is not permanent. Freedom is possible. It starts with small steps. It starts with awareness. It starts with choosing your thoughts. Every moment you apply these lessons, you grow stronger. Every time you act with intention, you take one brick out of the wall. You are capable of more than you think. You are not your fears. You are not your doubts. You are the master of your mind. And you can create a life of calm, clarity, and confidence. Remember, mental freedom is a journey, not a single step. Each day, each choice, each thought matters. And slowly you will break free. You will experience the power of self-mastery. It is waiting for you. You just need to claim it. If this video helped you, let us spread the message. Like this video. Subscribe for more lessons. Share it with someone who needs it. And remember, change is always possible. Your mind is your greatest asset. Treat it with care. Guide it with intention. And you will live a life of freedom and power.